Hello, this is Asha Venkateshan from JNN Arts and Science Women's College, pursuing my second year in BCom General. Now, coming to the stock series 2, Success Industry, Dr. Mahesh Pavin Sattavali was the alumni in IIM Ahmedabad and doing his IBM Indian Private Limited company as a project manager. Talking about him, he is an excellent speaker as he started with his e-commerce and with the flow he went with his Kaj Bing, and the most I liked was this what's in it for me. That was really amazing to that was really an amazing thought, and coming up with this comfort zone, learning zone, fear zone, and last he gave up with his body language and etc. That was really admirable. Thank you so much for giving us this excellent speech, sir. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Here I am introducing myself, CH Pujita from ECE, 3rd year, JNN Institute of Engineering. I am very glad to share my feedback on Script Your Success. Thank you for all speakers who inspired us. Personally, I inspired from Mrs. Monica Murugesan ma'am. I learned many information from this talk, and this digital transformation will be useful for the future development. Thank you for sharing your experience, ma'am. It will be useful for all women and also students. The concepts of 10 weeks, 10 programs and 1 goal to make student industry ready. From this slogan, I inspired. Thank you JNN Institute and thank you Ripe Consulting for creating a great programs, and thank you for all.
Good morning to one and all. Myself Chandati Purnima, BCom A&F 2nd year, JNN Arts and Science Women's College. I am very glad to share my feedback on Script Your Success. Special thanks to all 10 speakers who inspired us a lot. And I especially inspired from Mr. J. Shankaran sir, who talked about total quality management, which called as TQM. And this main topic is very useful for my future development. I came to know about what is quality and its importance, and most probably thing is deeming price. Thank you so much sir for spending your valuable time for us, and we are very thankful for Mr. J. Shankaran sir for your valuable words. Thank you JNN Institute for creating the great program for students, and my special thanks for Dr. V. Vijay Anand Sriram sir for creating a concept of 10 weeks, 10 program, 1 goal to make student industry ready. And thank you so much for all.
A warm wishes to all. I am here to give a feedback about the session Journey to Success. The first and the foremost reason to give feedback about this, that is the journey to success, is not a destination, it is a journey. This quote has inspired me a lot and grabbed me here. This session gave me a magnanimous thought about the success, also vanished the monotonous attitude towards the success once we achieve. So, as the quote indicates, success is a journey. We all need a good path to travel. So, this session tempts me to choose the good path based on my choices, also based on my interests. Secondly, the ingredients to success. I really consider those 7 ingredients or really golden ingredients to taste the success. And a few points about a few points of imperatives. It has really given me a willpower to pursue my dreams. Finally, I end up my feedback with the golden word of APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Total commitment is a crucial thing for those who want to reach top of their profession. Thank you.
A warm good morning to all. Myself Divya Rashmi from JNN Arts and Science Women's College in BCom General. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event. To all dignitaries assembled here, I would like to thank her genius, Ms. Vidayanti Srinivasa Raghavan ma'am, who honored this session with her inspirational thoughts in the topic staying relevant in new normal. You deliver a message about their life story and how to maintain our stress level and how to dress up well, how to develop our career and how to draw a career blueprint. Thank you ma'am for a wonderful session and such an inspirational session too. Thanks for JNN who take initiative for this session. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. This is Hemlata of ECE 3rd year. I am studying in JNN Institute of Engineering. I am here to share about feedback we have been taught for 10 weeks with the 10 programs. Concept is Script to Success. I have chosen one among them, Journey to Success. It was taken by Srinivas Desikan. Sir explained about the success and how to choose a correct path, what are the ingredients of the success. By listening to the sir's success journey, I am inspired. Thank you, sir, for sharing your journey to the success in your life. By listening to this journey to success, I chosen myself a correct path to succeed in my life. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I am grateful.
My name is Khader Khan. I am from third year mechanical department from JNN Institute of Engineering College. I am here to share a feedback on first impression career in sales and marketing. I would like to thank Mr. Rajesh sir, marketing consultant and business analyst, Money HCQ. Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable ideas regarding business in market, sales. It's my ambition to become an entrepreneur, and you have given me complete idea what market is going on and how to do business in market. Thank you, sir.
Hi, I'm Kushbu Kumari, pursuing a BSc Biochemistry from JNN Arts and Science Women's College. I'm here to tell you a huge gratitude towards all of the speakers, and my college and the Right Consulting Service has taken an initiative and implement towards academic talk series with the 10 great speakers and a 10 different goals of their success. So one of my favorite that the world is moving with the technology, where Mr. Vijay Ratnam has taught a lot of things with the social networking and the social media, how it works with our choice of goal, with the action plan and execution, which leads to a success. So one of my, it was a great experience which had gained a lot of things. It was eye-opening ideas, and I would like to express my gratitude towards all the 10 speakers, and it was a great ideas, and thank you for that.
This is Lavanya Selvam from JNN Institute of Engineering. I am about to graduate on Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science. I feel thankful for giving my feedback about Script Your Success talk series. I was really inspired upon Rise with Cash and Ping taken by Mahesh Ponsa. I just came to know a lot more about how to improve ourselves without comparing others, which was so helpful for upgrading my personality. I admired one of his lines which goes like, everyone has his own path and has his own journey, which was so meaningful. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Myself Madhumita, pursuing my BBA in JNN Arts and Women's College. I am here to express my sincere gratitude towards all the 10 speakers who spent their valuable time in motivating and inspiring us. I am also here to specially thank Mr. T.A. Rajesh for being an eye-opener to all the students in the career of marketing and sales. I used to think that sales is a tough job and is just a waste of time, but he brought me around with just a simple session. He said us how important first impression is in the career of marketing and sales. And he laid a lot of key advantages of sales in front of us, which nearly changed my entire view of the sales. There goes a saying with sales, there's nothing in this world without sales, a business is zero without sales. Yes, and it's true, I can prove it now. I also like to thank him for giving us such a wonderful opportunity to learn a lot about our beautiful career in marketing and sales. I would also like to thank JNN institutions and Right Consultants for giving us such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. I am Sai Dinesh from JNN Institute of Engineering. I am very glad to share my feedback on Script Your Success. Thank you for all speakers who inspired us. Personally, I inspired from Mr. Murali Krishna sir. I learnt many things from his speech, and I also get rid of all my doubts on cloud. And I once again thank you, sir. Because of you, I got hopes on cloud.
Good evening, everyone. This is Upendra from third year mechanical department of JNN Institute of Engineering, and I glad to share a feedback regarding Script Your Success. Kindly thank for all the speakers. I really inspired by Mr. Vijay Ratnam about social networking and career success. Thanks for sharing your valuable ideas. Thank you.
I had a session about Script for Success which was held by JNN Rise team, and the special guest was Mr. Bannigandan Venkateshan, who is the Managing Director of River Phonics, Jayashree River Phonics, and Executive Director and Advisor, International Trainer and Consultant. And the session is all about mantras for successful entrepreneurship, and it has been divided into two topics, that is entrepreneurship and employment. Entrepreneurship, who startups the business, and he gave a lot more basic types, that is large entrepreneurship, small entrepreneurship, scalable, social. And he gave classic examples like Dhirubhai Ambani for Reliance Industries, Kalpana Saroj for Kamini Tubes, and we had an interaction about the employment and entrepreneur, and we concluded that topic in the entrepreneur, something who earns later, and employee who earns something immediately.
I am Priyanka Srinivasan from JNN Institute of Engineering. As a JNN, I am very much proud that I am a part of JNN Rise Script Live Talk Series, which is 10 weeks, 10 speakers, one goal to make a students industry ready. As these words mention that our college and RIPE team had proven this. First of all, I should thank our college vice chairman, Mr. Naveen Jayachandran sir, principal sir, Professor Sita Raman sir, and RIPE CEO Dr. Vijay Anand Sriram sir for creating a wonderful platform for the students for learning new skills and innovative ideas and thoughts. As a young and future engineer, I have many questions in me about what technologies has been used for this world changing. I have been having many questions about different kinds of technology, but after attending this talk series and listening to the speaker, Mr. Shailesh Vishwakarma, who is the data scientist engineer, he has been taught us many thoughts about the data science, what is data science and how it has been applied it. After listening to this talk series, I have understood many things about data science and its field, its every sectors where it has been used in. Data science has been used in every sectors like business intelligence, machine learning, traditional methods, etc. I also understood that it has been widely used in better decision skills, pattern discovery, predictive analysis. In addition to that, the skills and tools of data science, I have been understood a very lot, which has been used by the today's industry. After learning so much of information about data science, the interest and innovative ideas about the data science has been created me a lot.